As someone who hates egusi soup, I do know how to make a main pot of it. Come with me as I show you how to make the easiest egusi soup recipe. So basically this is hot oil and I go in with my egusi paste. I don't use water to turn it into a paste. I actually use the stock from the boiled meat, protein, whatever. Then allow that to fry. And after it's fried properly, give a few minutes, you put in your pepper. Mix that up, let them fry as well, let them get to know each other. Then you go in with your seasoning and your crayfish. Mix again, then you go in with the rest of the stock and the protein. Here I just have beef, pomo, and stockfish, which I hate stockfish. Hate fish in general. Yes, and then you let that sit and boil, let it cook. Right now it's looking watery, but trust me, just trust the process. Once it's cooked, you go in with your veggies, which is this what I'm putting here is a blend of uziza and ugu. Yeah, very simple. And honestly, let that cook and your egusi soup is ready. Just this took what? Less than 2 minutes. It's literally that simple. So enjoy if you enjoy egusi soup. I absolutely hate it. Bye.